I'm going to show you guys exactly how to identify extreme supply and demand levels and how to use them within my own trading strategy. Okay, so this is Euro USD. You can see, let's just get straight into this. So we have a push to the upside followed by a 2 candle correction, and we then go ahead and break to the upside. Okay, so we break to the upside, we can then identify our BOS, which is our boss. So we break structure to the upside. Okay, therefore we can mark on our guarded low. Okay, so we can mark on our guarded low. This is our invalidation level, and we would not want to see price break below here, because if it does, it would invalidate our long bias. Okay, so now that we have a bias within the market, clearly we're looking for longs, we're looking for buys, we can then identify our extreme demand. Okay, where are we're gonna pinpoint an area of interest, so we call it a POI, or point of interest, and how exactly do we identify our extreme demand? Okay, so we do that simply by marking on, it would be the last down candle before we have the solid push to the upside, before the break. So this is the most recent down candle before the break. We can extend that across, and this is our extreme demand. Okay, it's that simple. If we were watching this in real time, what we would do is set an alert just above our extreme demand area. We would then be notified when price comes back to this area, and then we could act accordingly. Okay. Taking this one step further, we've identified our extreme demand. We can refine that ever so slightly. Okay, so from the open, what we can do is take a Fibonacci retracement down to the low. Okay, what this gives us is a 50% mitigation of these sell orders. Okay, so rather than having a sort of larger area, we've refined it down to a 50% mitigation, and that gives us a little bit more accuracy. Okay, so this is something that ultimately you guys need to decide on yourself, whether you're going to draw this based on, the full candle body down to the low, or whether you're going to go for a more refined approach, which would be a 50% mitigation. Okay, me personally, I use a 50% mitigation of our extreme demand, because from the data that I've collected, this increases the probability of success. So yes, I'm not going to trade as frequently, because there'll often be times, where price maybe comes just above, taps in with our demand area here, and then continues. So yeah, there will be instances where that does occur. However, the trades that do come into our 50% mitigation area, and then when I see the entry schematic to go long, then them trades tend to have a greater probability of success. Okay, so it's about finding that balance. Okay, so we would then want to see price come into our extreme demand. As you can see, it does here. I'm not going to touch on too much about actual pinpointing entries. The purpose of this video is to simply show you guys how to identify our extreme demand. Okay, we're going to play a price on a little bit more here. Okay, let's just remove the drawings in a second here. So we have another clear break to the upside. You can mark that on. Clear break to the upside. We can then mark on our new guarded low. So once we have a new break, we can then mark on our new guarded low, which is here. Let's get rid of the other break of structure just for the simplicity. So our new guarded low is here. And how can we draw our extreme supply? So extreme demand. So on the last down candle from the open down to the low. So this is it. This would be our extreme supply there. Or if you wanted to go for a more refined approach, you could have a 50% mitigation of that last down candle. Okay, down to our guarded low. So if you wanted to refine it, it would be like that. And therefore we would be looking for price to come back into our point of interest or POI, and that's then where we could look for a long trade if our entry schematic does line up. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is how you identify extreme demand. For the flip side, it would be the exact same. However, on the sell side, you would be, identifying that way. So yeah, this is a very simple approach to identifying extreme demands. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this, guys. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts below on how you found this video. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye.